In this video, I will be showing you an app, a secret app, which probably you might not know about. I just found about this app, and this app can be used in enhancing the quality of images, and at the same time, you can use it in removing the background of images. So if you are the type that is interested in this video, stick around and make sure to watch to the very end so that you can understand every step-by-step process of how you can use this image. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So the app which I'm talking about is the CapCut app. This CapCut app is a video editing app. So you might be wondering, how can I use a video editing app in enhancing the image and removing the background of an image? That is exactly what I will be showing you in this video. So just make sure to like this video so that the algorithm can push the video to more viewers who may also be interested in knowing something like this. So yeah, let's dive into the app and look into its amazing features. So yeah, once you enter the app, this is the first interface which you will be having. So if you look up here, we have different buttons. It is a multi-feature app which can be used for different features. We have the photo editor, we have the camera, auto-cut, product photos, and here once you click on expand, it brings out more. So we have the AI poster, AI model, text to image, retouch, auto caption, teleprompter, remove background, and image enhancement. So remove background, you can use it to remove the background, and image enhancement, you can use it to enhance the image. So if you want to remove the background without any enhancement, if your image already has a good quality and you just want to remove the background without enhancement, you use remove background. But if you want to remove the background and at the same time you want to enhance the image, you use image enhancement. This is totally free. You are not it is not compulsory you be a pro user of CapCut before you can use this feature. So let's look into how this can be used. So yeah, I'm going to click on this image enhancement. So once you click on it, your gallery opens up like this, where you are going to select the image you want to enhance. So yeah, I'm going to locate the folder where I have the image I want to use. So you locate the folder where you have the image and you select the image. Once you select the image like this, you are going to have the edit icon beneath here. So you click on edit. So then automatically the image is going to be enhanced. You can see enhancing the image. So now the image enhancement is now on. So if you look at this image, when I zoom it out, you can see this image. Now the enhancement is on. If you show off the enhancement here, beneath here, you can see the difference between the quality without the enhancement and now with the enhancement on. So yeah, this app is a good app for image enhancement, for enhancing the quality of images. So after enhancing the quality, you can see to the left hand side here, we have on the image enhancement button, we have the AI background, and next to it is remove background. So after enhancement, if you have to remove the background, you just click on remove background. Then within some minutes of loading, depending on the quality of your network, so depending on your data connectivity, how strong it is, so you can see the image is now selected out. We have the image selected out. So yeah, you just click on this check mark button here, then the background will be removed. So you can see the background is now removed. So in just this app, in one app, you can remove the background, and as well you can enhance the quality of your image. So yeah, after removing the background, enhancing your image like this, you just click on export icon up here. Then the image will be exported into your device. The image will be saved on your device. Please, if you find this video, if you find it helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe on the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.